Okay, here we are with the third and final science and experiment kit. This one today is the solar robot. "24 pages worth of assembly." Well, let's get stuck into it. Got the solar panel, the gears, a small motor, some stickers, and some instructions. Got the solar cell and the motor. That bit's a chore, trying to get that right. There we go. There's our obligatory sirens. Okay, well, we got a problem here. Right, and here's the problem I'm facing. Placing gears onto that pin there. Having a look at my piece of plastic, it would appear it's broken off on mine. Seems that I got a dud. It's supposed to hold that pin in there. And that ain't happening. So I've got to return a kit that I don't even think I've got a receipt for. To be continued. Fantastic. Okay, we are back. A little bit of a floating camera today. I returned it. They had 10 extra boxes. We opened 5 of them. It looks like there was a problem in the manufacturing. So fortunately, they had the solar robot on its own in a little box. So it's not a 3-in-1, it's just the solar robot on its own. Opened that up and managed to find a good one. And here it is. And right there is the problem area. So yeah, every single one. So not many people must have bought this kit. Not many budding scientists out there aged 8 and plus. 8 and plus. Okay, so now I have to dig into this. Get back to the step we were up to. Fun times. Okay folks, that one's on me.
I was doing a speed run and I managed to snip the robot's mounting tabs off and leave them behind on the sprue. So we have a free floating head. That's not going to be good for anybody. I'll be back. Next step. Well, there you go, you can see the missing piece there. Okay, that's all we needed. Okay, this is where we're up to. Let's continue. It should be as simple as this. I believe that should be it. Okay, I think we can now turn this page over. It's been a while. Let's flip the script, shall we? Okay, we get the other slice.
Okay, this is the finished product. We are done. That's a scorpion, and that's a tank. That's not what we have. So now we decorate it. These. Okay, and the decals left is for the scorpion and the tank. So we are done. We are finished with our speed run. It's time to have some fun in the sun. Okay, here we go. There's the finished product. A couple of stickers. There's your solar panel. Some arms. Got a cable, which I'm sure that cord's not supposed to be where it is. Stickers are attached. Arms. Okay, so there you have it. The spectacular fail of the Science and Experiment Explore and Find solar robot. Well, that was disappointing. Can't say I didn't give it long enough, so I might strip it down, see if the solar motor is even working on it. To be continued once again. What a mission. Okay, and then we can see if this works. Alright, well, we definitely had a functioning motor there. All the gears are turning freely. Cannot understand what went wrong. Just gonna have to try it again. This time just in pieces. If I hadn't shot a video, I would have frisbeed it a long time ago. It's not the easiest motor to turn. That's fine. That's fine. And let's try that in the sun now. So I took this outside, and what I've discovered is if you over tighten these two screws, it locks up the gears. There we go. So it seemed to work. Now we can put it back together, I guess. All done. Time to test it. Alright, so that wraps up the Science and Experiment robot kit. So the solar robot was a bit of an ordeal, but we got through it. If it's something on your list of things to do, you saw a lot of things not to do, that's for sure. A lot of mistakes were made by me and the company. That's the third one. You probably saw the earlier video. The dynamo torch. And outside is the... well, also the dynamo torch apparently. God, a lot of mistakes on this box. Not much care has been put into this one. Obviously that's supposed to say weather station, dynamo torch, and we have the solar robot. $28 I believe I paid at Toymate. If it's something you guys want to do, annoy your kid at Christmas, get him one of those kits. Okay, thanks for watching. Time to splice this video together. See you next time.